got information about Taiwan from my senior. I applied in university and I got scholarship. After I stay here about 1 year, I know that Taiwan has a best quality education, convenient transportation, and best living environment. Taiwanese people is so friendly, helpful, and respect with another religion, especially Muslims. In addition, Taiwan has a lot of cultural park and natural education area that you can explore here. Enjoy Taiwan! I have been traveled many places in Taiwan, such as Ilan, Kaohsiung, Taitung, Xiangshan, Xiwen, Rotong, Hsinchu, and others. In summary, Taiwan has a lot of wonderful places. The ticket is so cheap and near with the station. However, Taiwan natural area needs more improvement. It's like tourist facilities and needs direction to go there. For Taiwan nature trace in my program this year, I will go to Sito. Sito provides the education area, vacation forest, and you can find nursery garden there. There is a lot of accommodation that you can go to the hotel and you can make a camping because there is a lot of camping and also. In Taiwan, there is a lot of cultural festivals like the Dragon Festival, Lampion Festival, Cat and Dog Festival, and many more. So, what's the most interesting that I will say to you? Absolutely, you must apply Treasure Map Program. You can find a lot of friends around the world. You can explore natural park in Taiwan, and you can find a lot of interesting park in Taiwan. And for the next is about the bizarre event. Oh, should I think? The bizarre event during the Dragon Festival, you can find the bikini contest, but the model is the boy. What are you thinking about that? Next, why I do recommend to you to come to Taiwan natural area. Okay, Taiwan natural area has the best quality and safety for visitors. And next, Taiwan natural area provides a lot of combination to you. And Taiwan's natural area has a big plan to conserve and restore the indigenous species. And maybe you can find it at the place. And what do you need to have you come to Taiwan? You need to prepare yourself with a big spirit and courage. So, chayo!
Welcome to Taiwan!